I got a Husqvarna 257 that I picked up from a county in Maryland, and it looks pretty solid. I'm gonna start it up for you. It'll start up and run, but I think it needs a new clutch. But I'm gonna just sell it like it is. But it's got awful good compression. So I'm gonna set my camera down and see if I can't get it going here for you. And whew, compression is horrible. Alright, it may need some adjustment, but that's the story of it right there. So it's being sold just like it is. I don't see anything broken on it. The top looks like it's been repainted, and it's got a little place right there on the edge, but other than that, it looks pretty solid.